guys, I wanted to go ahead and show you this camera microscope that I received from the company. My kids have been having a blast with this. You could see it just like goes really up close and you can get like a picture super high def of like anything that you want. It does take pictures, then you can download them, which is really fun. My kids have been having a really good time with this because they're walking around finding like really small things like crumbs and insects, grass. This is my son's hair. So you see he like really wanted to see what it looked like up close. It's really easy to use and it's been just really fun for my kids as well as like kind of like the science experiment. I've been having fun with it as well. So it just goes like very up close on anything that you want. I'm just showing you what it looks like on my skin. And then, you could take a picture, examine it, send it to your computer, and then you have that. As well as on this other side, you can see there's like another magnifying glass. So the kids can really just like explore. There's a light. A great science project for kids to keep them curious, definitely for outside as well. Keep them outside off of screens. I like that it's made out of this like really soft material. They cannot break it. It's like impossible to break. The camera button's right here on the side, so it's pretty intuitive and easy to use. You can see I just took a picture. And then there's different playback buttons as well as the power button. You can charge it as well, so you don't need batteries. Really happy with this. I'm glad that I have it.